Are you seeing browser compatibility errors in Pixlr? Maybe certain tools aren't working, pages won't load correctly, or Pixlr is warning that your browser isn't supported. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Pixlr browser compatibility issues in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. Outdated browsers often lack the features and security updates required for modern web applications like Pixlr. Pixlr works best on major browsers such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari. If you're using a less common browser, try switching to one of these supported options. Many Pixlr features rely on JavaScript. If JavaScript is disabled in your browser settings, some tools may stop working entirely. For better performance and compatibility, make sure hardware acceleration is turned on. This allows your browser to use your graphics hardware for demanding tasks. Corrupted browser data can create compatibility issues even after updates. Clear your cache and cookies, restart the browser, and then reopen Pixlr. Extensions such as ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blockers can interfere with Pixlr features. Temporarily disable them and test the site again. Yeah, this is one of the most common fixes. Open Pixlr in an incognito or private browsing window. This disables most extensions and can help determine whether browser settings are causing the issue. If compatibility problems continue, consider resetting your browser settings to their default values. This can remove problematic configurations. An outdated operating system can also create compatibility issues with modern browsers. Install available system updates and restart your device. If possible, open Pixlr on a different computer or mobile device. This helps determine whether the issue is related to your browser, device, or Pixlr itself. And that's how to fix Pixlr browser compatibility issues in 2026. Most problems can be solved by updating your browser, clearing cached data, enabling required features, and disabling conflicting extensions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.